Lola's Biscuit Tin, story by teacher Jath. What do you think is inside Lola's biscuit tin? Do you have an old container at home that is used for something special? Who teaches you how to take care of your things? Let's begin the story, made with love for young readers. One Saturday afternoon, Maya visited her Lola. On the table, she saw a round blue biscuit tin. "Lola, may I have a biscuit?" Maya asked excitedly. Lola smiled. "You may open it." Maya carefully lifted the lid. Her eyes grew wide. There are no biscuits. Inside the tin were colorful threads, tiny buttons, ribbons, needles, and a small pair of scissors. Maya giggled. "Lola, it is your sewing basket." Many Filipino Lolas keep their sewing things inside an old biscuit tin. Lola explained. Just then, Lola noticed a small hole in Maya's school uniform. "Oh no," Maya said sadly, "I cannot wear this on Monday." "Do not worry," Lola said. She chose a blue thread that matched the uniform. In and out, the needle moved gently through the cloth as Maya watched Lola's careful hands. "Who taught you how to sew?" Maya asked. "My Lola taught me," Lola answered, "and her Lola taught her too." Soon, the little hole disappeared. "It looks new again," Maya said happily. Lola smiled. "We do not always need to throw away things that are broken. Sometimes, they only need a little care." Maya hugged her Lola. "Will you teach me how to sew someday?" "Of course," Lola replied. "Some of the best things we receive are not bought from stores. They are taught to us by the people who love us." From that day on, whenever Maya saw an old biscuit tin, she did not think only of cookies. She thought of Lola's gentle hands and the love stitched into every little repair. Friendly reminder from teacher Jath. Things made and repaired with love are worth taking care of. Treasure every lesson from your Lola, because each one is given with love.